Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. So I can't believe this, that I hadn't been noticing, hadn't been watching, but you can tell by the title of the video. So we now have a video that has 20,000 views, and then there's several behind it. But yeah, we have over 100 videos that have broken the 1,000 view mark, and I guess what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that have broke the 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there we go. So I just can't. I'm extremely humbled by that. And actually, a lot of you that are here right now started with this video. Found it, ran across it, was intrigued by it. I remember a lot of the early interactions, but as you can see, this is coming up on, I cannot believe this, 4 years old. So it's towards the beginning of, because what, I'm in year 6. We've been doing this for 5 years. So I just wanted to take a second to just say thank you. I'm extremely humbled, and just awestruck. I mean, I know there are other channels with many more, and one of my kids is very good at putting things in perspective. If I was in a stadium and there were 20,400 people watching me at one time, so that that is very humbling. So and I apologize for the gap last week. Had some eye irritation, and I really didn't want to put out a video with a swollen and bloodshot eye and try to act like it wasn't there. So just wanted to get this video out this week. Overabundant thanks. Thank you for the follows. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for jumping over to Discord and either asking great questions or supporting others with their challenges that they are having. That's probably one of the things that I'm probably most excited about. Not only just the building of the community, but the non-dependence on me having to answer and me feeling rushed, because here when we have comments, I have to answer those. But over on Discord there are numerous people who are jumping in and supporting each other, because I want to have an environment where you feel comfortable asking a question, because I know there are plenty of message boards that if you don't follow the right protocols, you get shunned. So I want to have an environment that you feel comfortable asking a question, asking for help, needing an explanation, requesting a video, all of that. I want to help you get through those first 6 months of your journey, because I've found that once you get past those 6 months, it just starts to click. So thank you. Abundance of thanks you. Very humbled, extremely humbled that I have a video that has 20,000 views. I just can't really wrap my head around it. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.